For the first problem, concept development for lesson 6, you will be using tap, tap, box. So for lesson 6, what we're going to do is we're going to find the total volume of solid figures composed of two non-overlapping rectangular prisms. Okay, so what that means is that we're going to take two rectangular prisms and we're going to either stack them on top of each other or put them right next to each other. Attach one next to the other one and find that volume. So to do that, we are going to start with tap, tap blocks. So for problem number 1, okay, we are going to use one color cube. So I'm going to choose orange. And we're going to build a structure that's 3 centimeters by 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. So I am going to go 1, 2, 3 centimeters long, okay, lengthwise, by 2 centimeters width. So I'm going to add 2 centimeters width, okay, so there's my 3 centimeters wide, 2 centimeters width, and then my height is going to be 2 centimeters. Whoops. So here is that structure, 3 by 2 by 2. And I'm going to try and make this, there we go. Okay, now we're going to use a different color cube, and I'm going to choose teal. We're going to use a different color cube that is 2 centimeters long on every side. So each side is 2 centimeters long. This is a 2 by 2 by 2. And I'm going to connect that to this. So I can either add it on top or I can add it on my side here. I am going to add this one on top. So I'm going to do a 2 by 2. So there's a 2 by 2. And now I have to do 2 height. Okay, so there we go. So I have my structure on the bottom is 3 centimeters by 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. And my structure on the top is 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. So how could we combine these two structures? And we already talked about that, right? We either put it on the top or we put it on the side. I chose to attach mine to the very top. And then how can we find the volume of this new structure that I just built? How can we find this volume? Think about it. Yeah, good. You can count all of the blocks all together. So either you can, if you had actual blocks, you could just separate them and count all the blocks. Okay. Also, you could find the volume of the orange, find the volume of the teal, and then add them together. Yeah? So the orange volume is, we know that this layer is 3 by 2 by 1. So 3 times 2 is 6. So one orange layer is 6, and we have 2 of them. So 6 times 2 is 12. So the volume of the orange is 12. And then the volume of the teal is a 2 by 2, which is 4, and then by 2 again, which is 8. So 12 plus 8 would give us our total volume for this entire shape. So what is 12 plus 8, everyone? 20, yep. So 20 cubic units, right? Because we're still finding the volume. And it's all a cubic unit. So right here in this shape that I just built, this is 20 cubic units.